guys chilling out here, out in the middle of the desert. Donkeys. Oh my goodness. Wild donkeys, baby. So on our way back from Overton, I wanted to go to Overton and actually get near the water out there, but I just couldn't. I mean, as I was driving out that way, I kept looking at my phone. I was losing radio service in the car. I lost GPS, so I had no radio, no GPS, no cell service, nothing. No protection, no weapons, nothing. And I'm just like driving out here, going down these side roads trying to get to the water, and I was like feeling very insecure. You know, just being out there with just nothing. No way to call for anybody if you needed to. And so I decided, you know, I'm going to turn around, man. I'm getting too far off the beaten path. But as I was coming back in, because we're headed over to Calville Bay to do a Marina report down there for you, I just happened to stop by this place here called Redstone. And I was like, man, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. I just thought I'd break out the Canon and just pan you around here to what I'm seeing. Just absolutely beautiful, man. You know? What do you guys think? Look at that. Let's just try to get an in tight. Yeah, just red stone. Really nice. Here, just you know, if you're in between, you're hunting around bays from Overton to Echo Bay to Calville Bay. This is just right along the ways, guys, and this is just absolutely beautiful. Stop by here for a minute, man. Just hopefully the weather's not terrible like it is right now. 110 degrees, man. Picked the wrong time of the year to do this, but I said I should have gotten cooler, man. But the climate change must be some serious stuff going on here, man. But I'm out here for you folks. Hope you guys are enjoying the view. All right, let's get to Calville Bay. All right, guys, so we're at Calville Bay. I've never been here, man, but you have got to see the look of this destruction. I have never seen it to this degree. I've seen people come out here and report on this, but to actually physically come out here and actually see this boat ramp and how much water has vanished from this area, it has got to be visited to believe. Have a look at this. So if you take a look at this here, the main store is sitting right up there. Water was all the way up in this area. And just take a look at this, guys. I'm going to pan you through. Look at this walk of the boat ramp. Water just begun there. All of this. Now I don't know what's going on here where they broke this thing in half, but you can't even walk between there and there no more to get to the actual marina, which is right down there. But guys, this marina, I can't see this marina being able to move anywhere else. These guys are in it, and I can't see them getting out of it. Look, it's already a ponded situation here. Look at the point out there. How could they ever get any of this out to escape this right here? If this is going to dry up and close, I can't see how they could get. How could they possibly get this out of those narrows right now? Let me show you these narrows. Take a look. Now look where it's at, man. Now take a look at the narrows out there. I don't see how they're going to be able to get this marina past those narrows. It's already a ponded situation, man. Look at that. This is a terrible scene. I mean, if somebody else knows how the hell this marina is going to get out of here, you tell me, because look, there's nothing in here for them. There's nowhere they can go. This is all doom. Look at all this stuff out here, man, that is dried out. And look, just washed up infrastructure. All that out there, man, is just washed up infrastructure that is dried up, ain't going nowhere. And to think, man, everything up there along that ridge, that's where the water was, and look at how it's dropped all the way down to zero. And like everything here, man, everything just washed up, man. This whole cove washed up. I have never seen drought like this, man. This is absolutely insane, man, to actually be out here and see this, because I can absolutely see it. You guys have got to believe me. I don't see how they can actually get anything out. Yeah, boats can get out of here one by one, but all of this marina, if they don't get this out of here soon, I don't know how they'll ever get this out of here. Maybe they won't get it out of here. But as you can see, we have a dredging operation going on down here right now. Where you've actually got, you got dozers just working, doing the old excavating, man. But yeah, but just take a look at that, man. Look at those narrows right there, that channel. It's already done. You know, I can't see them getting out of here in any way, shape, or form. This is crazy. Look at all these boats out here. And I'm thinking, why did they wait so long? You know what I mean? I mean, they already knew that this thing was in trouble. I was like, why did they wait so long? Now I don't see these boats being able to get out of here. Unless they're going to continue to try to keep this ramp open to push, not to launch boats, but to get them out of here. This has got to be what that's all about. I'm trying to get this ramp down here close enough to the water to get these boats out of here for anybody that wants to get their boat out of here. Because as you can see, there ain't nothing going to happen out there, man. They're already ponded. They should have been clear out past that, way out there, out past those breakers out there. Out where that water boat is, right. That's where they should be, right there. Alright guys, so we're down here at the Calville Bay Marina. We're going to actually walk down here and see if we can get into the boat ramp areas and take a look, have a look around, see how the water and everything is down here, see how the situation is, since I've never been down to Calville Bay. Come along with me. Let's get to it. Alright, so basically I talked to one of the maintenance guys out here, and he says that what's happening out here is that since the rains came in, a lot of this stuff got graveled and so forth and washed into this area, and they're just trying to clean this all up and get all this washout out of here that the rain came in and the floods filled all this crap in. So they're just basically doing maintenance on this area. Holy smokes. See a lot of weeds and stuff going on in here, a lot of wash. I'm wondering if all that rain washed all this stuff in here. So anyways, my wife is inside the actual Marina snack bar and getting a Philly cheese sandwich, and I decided to come out here and have a look at what's left of this boat ramp. I'm not sure what's going on down here, why this thing is shifted and split off like this, but I mean, everything seems to be in really nice condition. It's just that there's no water, man. That's the problem, you know, no water. We've come to the end of the boat ramp right here, actually the dock walk, and it continues on that way. I guess they opened this for a reason, but they've actually built that one over there so you can access the marina from that walkway, and this walkway just cut. I guess they're using this as an access for boats. But yeah, man, take a look. Let's have a pan around here and take a look here of what's going on. All that, man, had to be walked at some point. At one point, you had to park your car up there and just walk all this stuff all through here to get down here, man. And let me tell you, if this camera doesn't do any justice, that is a long walk, bro, to get down here. That is long. I've seen guys with golf carts parking over there, and people with golf carts would bring them all the way down because it's such a long walk. You know, like I said, you still gotta traverse this point right here to get all the way to the dock where I'm at. All right, well, speaking with the faculty out here, but basically what they said is that access down there that's split off, they said the main reason for that is it's just too far. Nobody wants to walk it, and they're not getting any business out here. When people have to park way up at the top and do this walk, they're not doing it no more. So they're just going to open up this area where you can park down here, and they're just going to make this the main walk-in so where it's not so far, because that's just absolutely too far. They were actually having people with golf carts golf cart you all the way down here because it was just such a long run. But yeah, that's about the wrap up here at Calville Bay. All right, guys, so we are at Government Wash again. This right over here is the inlet where Lake Las Vegas goes. The water actually runs down through here, and then it comes into the entranceway of Lake Mead, which is right through here. And this is just the name of it. Government Wash is what they call it. And here we go. You could just take a look at the peninsula right here and just take a look at the gradient water droppage, where the water used to be and where it is right now. And I'm going to bring you in on a tight one. You can have a look for yourself. I'm going to try to get you in real tight down there. Yep. And you could just see the steps where the water came down right off those cliffs. Right here at the wash. Yeah, and basically if you take a look out that way, that's going to be where Lake Las Vegas is, way out there. Right out in that area. Yep, that's where their lake starts. And we're back all the way out here. Alright guys, so we're basically back up here at the very top of Government Wash at the boat ramps up here. I took you down here before when we went all the way down to the end to see the water actually come in. Now, I attempted today, guys, I really did. Right now it is 113 degrees, and I really attempted to go out and find that boat that sticks up out of the water. I know I was close to it, but there's just no way You know, I got the Elantra and it's 2-wheel drive, and I've seen too many cars attempt to get out there and they just get tabletopped or they get stuck in the sand. And luckily they had some guys out there, you know, Sin City Outdoors was there to help push one of them out. And it looked like even that car had a 4-wheel drive Suzuki Sidekick or something like that. But I just got a little 2-wheel drive Elantra, and I took it out as far as I felt safe, and I didn't feel safe anymore. And from my vantage point of looking around, I couldn't find that boat anywhere. So it's just too hot. My girl's with me, man. We're down to our last bottle of water in her canteen. And I was just like, I can't risk us getting all the way out there on one bottle of water and trying to come back, because it is just way too hot, man. So guys, this is all I got for you on this episode. I'm gonna try to get better and try to find better ways to get out to that boat in my next episode. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this thing out. We went around the backside of the lake today, took a look at the old Echo Bay Resort, the water line out there, went out to Calville Bay, took a look at the marina out there and the condition of it, came out here to Government Wash, and that's the situation. The water is up 3 feet, but I don't see that lasting, guys. This drought is absolutely intense, you know what I mean? Because I figured that we would be coming down in heat right now because we're dipping into September, and generally by mid-September we're coming out of it. But my God, man, 113 degrees today, and it looks like the next 3 or 4 days are still going to be in the triple teens. It's just ugly situation. But anyways, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and close this one out. If you guys like this walk and talk, you know, type of reporting, and you found the information beneficial or useful, hey, do me a kindness. Hit the like button, man. Give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate it. And guys, I will go ahead and get this thing edited and shot up to you guys so you can view it tonight, okay? I hope to see you guys again in the next episode. This is Joey. You're watching Vegas D-Tech. I'll see you guys later. Bye now.